Okay, you guys, it's a little dark right now, but we finally got our fence finished. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how we built our fence. Now this video is going to be a little bit different because we're going to do a photo slash voiceover. So bear with me. This is the first time we ever did that. It's kind of exciting, but let's go. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. Let me remind you that we are not experts, but this is how we built our fence. First, we gathered all the materials and tools. We went to Lowe's for the 80 panels that are 8 foot wide and the auger. We purchased the rest from Home Depot, which included 80 4x4 posts, 42 80-pound bags of Cricut, a spade shovel, a flat square shovel, a post level, a string line, outside work light, circular saw and batteries, garden wheelbarrow, a rafter square, post hole digger, rake, 3-inch deck screws, 4-inch deck screws, and we had to go back for a rotary drill and bits to help break up the dirt and the rocks. Then we went to work. We started by digging an 8-inch hole with the auger near the corner of our home where we wanted to start the fence. Then we put stakes in the corners so we can run a string line. We marked every 8 feet. And then once everything was laid out in all directions, we began digging the holes. We used the auger for this part, but had some issues on the rockier part, so we went to the Home Depot for the hammer drill to break up through the rocks and the hard dirt. Then we used the auger to drill deeper. Once all the holes were done, we cleaned them with the post hole digger and the square shovel. Then we were able to place the 4x4 post near the holes. After that, we then placed them in the holes. Then we were able to center the 4x4 post and level them using the post level. In some areas we were not able to go the full 2 feet, but we tried, and the shallowest post was about 14 inches. However, where we live, our frost line is 10 inches, so we should be okay. Once we got the post centered and leveled, we started mixing the cement. For this portion, we used a shovel, cement, the garden wheelbarrow, and water. We mixed to a thicker consistency, kind of like tapioca pudding. Then filled up the hole about halfway. Once we had the cement in the hole, we then backfilled with dirt and tamped in the post really good. We then waited for about 24 hours. Our children helped in some areas. They helped carry some panels, and they also helped hold them so that we could attach them. Then we were able to use the 3-inch and 4-inch screws to install the panels. We used 2 screws in each brace on each side, and there were 3 braces, so it took about 12 screws per panel. Not all the panels lined up correctly, and this happened for a few reasons. One, some of the posts were bowed, and two, we didn't exactly mark where the middle of the post was supposed to be. Either way, we finagled the post to the best of our ability and had to cut the panels down, but we made it work. Tell me in the comments what tips you may have for building a fence. Then it was time to build the gate. Here are the hinges we used, about 2 packages, the rafter square, the 2 wheels, the saw, the 2 door handles, and the latch. We purchased these at Home Depot. So we went to the panel that was predetermined where the gate was going to be, and we took it off. We found the middle of the panel by measuring each section with the tape measure and marking it with the rafter square. Then we cut it in half and cut about 1/4 inch from each side for mobility reasons. Then we swapped the sides so the whole pickets would be more visible in the middle. Then we took the wheels and we measured where they would go, so we would know where to cut the bottom of the panel, and so the tops would align properly. Then we cut the bottoms of each panel. We then installed the hinges and the wheels on each side. After that, we lined it up and installed the hinge on the opposite side or the fence. Once both sides of the gate were installed, we were able to install the handles and the latch. Here's the finished gate. Then we cut the tops of the post off, and that's our completed fence. Well, that's how we built the fence. We hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or tips, leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good week. Bye.